let's talk about some specific techniques that can help you navigate these kinds of conversations.
You can establish a welcoming tone by asking open-ended questions. Questions that invite more thoughtful and complete responses and help you better understand their behavior, as opposed to close-ended questions that are usually answered in one word, like yes or no.
There isn't one right question, but asking shows you're willing to listen and are genuinely seeking to understand.
Let's take the conversation I had with Jeremy.
One of the most important things we can do is listen, but it's not enough to be silent.
You can use reflections. Reflections echo back what a person is saying to show you're listening and you understand.
And when possible, reflect any positive value shared. When you recognize someone's strengths and efforts, this can build their confidence and helps them realize they have the power to change.